Monkey.
Donkey from a junkie, hand a grenade. Got no one-liners, prepared for the late, prepared for the brave. Everything made, size to a T. Back to the stage, rack from the rage. Blowing out flames, blowing out names and parts that's unclaimed. Newfound fame, ahead of the name. Feel the soul coming, not built for running. Keep it 100, split direct current. Backdoor torrent, offer me a warrant. Cease and desist, now everything's paid for. My brigade invading, scrape what we made off. Hot numbers, cool by the crystals, no love for us. Cool by the pistols, problems arise. Societal issues, I'm Alanon. Respond by the vertebrae. Am I a God? Most say certainly, what is my design? Core the interior, am I out of line? Ash is superior, glass exterior, kick rocks to clear it up, am I maligned? Only you can answer that, money in my mind. I hand out the hand and back, going for the save. Combustional flame. Thought it was the game, then it got personal for me to give a name. I'd rather try Earth for you, platform T. 3-eye spotlight, translucent light, bright chicken head cockfight. With the Joneses, your moan's the moment. I ain't really on it, you don't wanna flaunt it. My day of atonement, my bust back bonanza, right back. You gotta be my 3rd grade education, all of my anatomy. My lies is the truth, plus I got proof that you don't do what they say you do. Keep cutting corners, sending out rib shots, pandemonium, increase uranium, tighten the lip lock. Alfred Hitchcock, house on wheels, gives me the chills. If I'm not real, then no, you never will. Archangelic force for such nonsense, consciously aware, or just in a common sense. Me, I'm like a predicate felon with God's etiquette by a bit, 7 bits to prolong the 7-6.